Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean up your local C drive in Windows 11, and this will help you to boost and speed up your Windows computer, right? So if this is what you're looking for, this is the perfect video for you. Now the first thing that you want to do, guys, is just simply right click on your taskbar and you simply want to click on settings. Then you want to click systems from the left side menus and look for storage. Once you click on storage, guys, you will allow the C drive here to do its checks. It will take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on how fast your computer is. But once this is done, you will be able to see how your storage is being used within Windows 11. Now right here at the top, you can see how large your hard drive or your hard disk is, and you have a few options here that is showing you like the install applications, the videos, temporary files, desktop, pictures, and at the right hand side you can see how many out of the total size that you have is being used for each of these, right? And what you want to do, you want to go through each and every one of these and clear up the space within your C drive. So for install applications, once you click on this will take you to all your install applications that you have, and you want to go through the list of all of your applications, and the ones that you no longer use or need, you want to uninstall those applications, right? And once you're finished uninstalling those applications, you want to simply go back to systems, go back to your storage, and you want to do the same for photos. Now, for example, photos, desktop, and pictures, once you click on any one of these, you will be able to get an option here, which is a little button that says view videos or view pictures. I will show you how it looks as well. When you go to pictures, once you click on this, you will see the option as well, view pictures. So if you click on this, it will open up the folder where you have your pictures, and you just need to go through that and delete the pictures that you no longer want, right? So you want to do the same there for your videos as well. Whatever videos you have, it will open up the folder, and you just need to go through the videos and delete the ones that you don't need. As easy as that. So go through each of those folders, and inside those folders you will have, like if you're doing video editing, you will have some of those saved projects, and if you have videos stored in these areas as well, you'll be able to see them and you'll be able to delete those videos or recordings, right? Now once you do that, just go back to storage as well, and you want to go to temporary files as well. This is a very important one. So click on temporary files, and you will have a full list of all the temporary files in your computer. Now if you have anything important, for example in your downloads, right, you want to ensure that you go to your downloads folder. So simply click on your folder storage here and go to downloads. So simply click on your file explorer here, and you want to go to your downloads and just go through your download list to ensure that there's anything important there that you need, and if so, you want to go ahead and copy them, create a new folder, and store them elsewhere, right, so that you will not lose those files, right? So once you do that, then you can go ahead and you can check this box, and you can also check the recycle bin, and you want to go ahead and go through the list to ensure that there's any error, anything that you don't want to delete, or if you want to delete, you can go ahead and check them. And once you do that, all you have to do is just simply click this remove files right here. Now once you do that, it will delete files from all of these locations and allow you to clear up some space there. Now once you go through all of these, guys, this will definitely do a cleanup of your local drives and give you quite a lot more space on your computer, so that your computer will run faster and better. And on top of that, once you finish with this, guys, I would suggest that if you haven't already done like a Windows update on your computer, you can just simply go ahead and click the Windows icon here and type updates, and you will see check for updates. You want to click on that, and you want to do a check for updates on your computer. Now once you do that, go ahead and restart your computer, and this should also help. As a bonus tip as well, you can also go ahead and click on the Windows key again and do CMD. Then you want to go ahead and run this as administrator, right? Go ahead and select yes. Then you want to do a SFC space / scan now, and you want to go ahead and run this SFC scan now. This will go ahead and do a scan on your computer, and if there is any issues, it will fix it. Now once this is done as well, you want to go ahead and restart your computer, and this should in fact help to speed up your computer, along with deleting all those files and applications that you no longer need. This should give you a lot of space, and on top of that, speed up your computer and allow you to have a faster and a better user experience while using your computer. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.